guys, it's Linda. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is pretty exciting for me and I hope for you guys. As you can tell from the video title, I am doing a giveaway. So here's the little story behind this giveaway. When I hit 1,000 subscribers, actually not too long ago, I was doing a giveaway. I told people I would contact them through YouTube, and I went and I picked a winner and I contacted that person through YouTube, and I waited like 2 weeks and nothing. So I picked a different winner. I emailed them through YouTube. I waited like 2 weeks, nothing. You guys, in all, I picked 4 winners and never heard back from them. So this time I want to do this a little bit differently. It's really easy to enter to win. All you have to do is click the link in my description and it will take you to the Gleam website. The only info I'm going to need from you is your name and your email address, and you just have to be a subscriber of my channel and you will be entered to win. So this way I can contact you through your email address, which you guys probably check more often than your YouTube email. So I will be giving away the prizes that I was originally scheduled to give away in my 1,000 subscribers giveaway, but this time you guys get it. And there's like almost triple the amount of you by this point, which is so crazy to me because it was literally only like a month and a half ago that I had 1,000 subscribers, and now there's over 2,500 of you, and I can't even comprehend or fathom that. So thank you guys. I'm so happy to have you here, and I'm so pumped to be giving this giveaway to you. Before we get into the giveaway, if you guys kind of like this beachy, wavy hair thing I have going, stay tuned for my next video because that is going to be a tutorial on how to get this. But let's get right into the prizes. Okay, one of the first things that I'm going to be giving away is this Double Dare, oh my god, 3-in-1 hair repair system. So this is just, a 2-step, it is a 3-step program, if you will. The first step is a healing shampoo, the second set is a protein treatment, and the third step is a self-warming collagen and keratin infused mask cap. I bought this at IMATS last year. I had used it a few times. I bought so many of them, and it really helped my hair. My hair felt really soft when it was done, and I just really liked it. So you're gonna get one of these. The next thing you're gonna get is the e.l.f. Beautifully Bare Liquid Highlighter. I have definitely used this in the past. I have one in my makeup drawer, and a friend of mine, was giving this up and gave this to me brand new in the box. So I wanted to give it to you guys. This is really good for those days when you don't feel like wearing any makeup. This just gives your skin kind of an all over glow, but it doesn't look oily. I really like this. The next thing you're gonna get is my current favorite sheet mask. This is the Too Cool for School Egg Cream Mask. Everyone that I've introduced this one to is now a convert and using this obsessively. So you know how some sheet masks, you put them on and they just like slide right off, or they just don't feel really hydrating? This is amazing. This is a thicker sheet mask, so you put it on and it stays put. When you take it off, your skin will feel better than it's ever felt. I mean, I don't care. I know that's like crazy hyperbole, but you guys get my point. This is the tits. Next, you will get an Anastasia brow definer in the color Auburn. This is a really good pencil and it has an angled tip to it for filling in, especially if you want individual looking hair strokes right at the front of your brow. This is a fantastic brow pencil for that, so you will be getting one of these. And then the main thing that you will be getting, the main thing I was giving away in my 1,000 subscribers giveaway, is the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick Set in minis. I did a review on this and I will link it right above somewhere here, and I love this set. It is such a fantastic kit. There are 8 shades in here. I can count. There are 8 shades in here, and one limited edition shade in there is called Madrid, and it is this beautiful rosy pink. But you get everything from like a dark black Witches to, a light pink Lovecraft. It's such a good mix. It's such a good way to try out Kat Von D liquid lipsticks, which are my favorite formula. And it's just, I don't know, I just think that this kit is really cool. So one winner is gonna get all of these things. I hope you guys kind of dig this giveaway. Again, it's really easy to enter. You just have to click the link in the description, and thank you guys. I mean, I don't know, stuff just fell off the table when I said thank you, so someone doesn't want me thanking you. Really, thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. Your support, your comments, your likes, your shares, your everything. It means so, so much to me, and I'm so happy to be here in this world and to have people I can chat with about my passion, which is makeup, which is, beauty stuff and everything. It really means a lot to me to have this community of you guys here, and you're all so supportive, and you all freaking rock. You're so cool, and I love you with my whole heart. This giveaway will go until April 10th at noon, and then I will be picking a winner. That is Eastern Standard Time. And that's it. You guys can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Those are all GlitterFallout. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell. And I will talk to you guys in the next video. Thank you so, so much, and I love you. Bye. Say